Children, it is a activity page 7 for day 4. It is about the factor. It is a activity about the factor. Then what is factor? Factor is a number which divides a given number completely without remainder. So what is factor? A number which divides a given number completely without remainder is called a factor. So you take an example. Factors of 8. So you divide 8 by 1. If 8 is divided by 1, the quotient is 8. And if 8 is divided by 2, the quotient is 4. If 8 is divided by 3, you will get the quotient 2.6666 and if 8 is divided by 4, you will get the quotient 2. If 8 is divided by 5, you will get 1.6. If 8 is divided by 6, you will get 1.3333. If 8 is divided by 7, you will get 1.1428. If 8 is divided by 8, you will get 1. In this division, here you will get the remainder 0 here. Here also remainder 0 here. You know that this 8 is not completely divided by 3. So here you can say that 8 is not divisible by 3. Similarly, if it is divided by 4, you will get the quotient 2 and the remainder is 0. Then if 8 is divided by 5, you will get 1.6, which is a decimal, that is not an integer. Similarly, if 8 is divided by 6, you will get 1.333 so on. If 8 is divided by 7, you will get 1.1428. If 8 is divided by 8, you will get 1. Here you will get the remainder 0 and here also you will get the remainder 0. But here you are going to get the decimals. So now identify here 8 is divided by 1 completely, 2 completely and 4 completely. You will get the whole number. Again here 8 completely. So 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. These are the factors of 8 because they are completely divided by 8 and the quotient will be a that is a natural number, that is an integer. So which are the factors of 8? The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. Now get the factors of 10. Find the factors of 10. Here you start to divide it by 1 and up to 10 you divide. And you must get the quotient a positive integer and the remainder must be 0. In that case you can say that they are the factors of 10. Here you can guess the factors are 1 because 10 is divisible by 1, 10 is divisible by 2, 10 is also divisible by 5 and 10 is also divisible by 10 completely. So these are the factors. So verify and find the answer here. Then find the factors of 14. Follow the same steps and find the factors of 14. And also you write the factors of 14 here. Naturally you can say that 14 is completely divisible by 1, 2, 7, 14. 1, 2, 7, 14 are the factors. So you start from 1 and divide by 14. Up to 14 you divide. That is 14 by 1, 14 by 2, 14 by 3, so on 14 by 14. Then identify which are the factors of 14. Let us take some more type of examples. Here you observe the example. Find the pair of factors. Find the pair of factors. The required product 20 and numbers to be multiplied. So pair of factors. Know that 1 into 20 is 20. So the pair of factor is 1 and 20. Again 2 into 10. 2 and 10 are the factors. 20. 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is the pair of factors. 4 into 5 is 20. The pair of factors is 4 and 5. Again 20 you can get by multiplying 5 and 4. So like this way 4 and 5, 5 and 4 also you can take. Next 20. 21 are 21. Here these two are same. Next these two are same and this is different here. So and you can have 120, 120, 210, 4 5 or 5 4 like this. Here you can have that this 110, 220 pair are common here. So here you write 120, 210, 4 5, 5 4, 21. Factors of factors. Here 120, 21 they are same. These two are same and this is single. But you can write all the pairs interchanging the order. With the help of the above examples, children find the factors of 18, that is find the pair of factors of 18. Find the pair of factors of 18. So here the required product is 18 and you write the numbers to be multiplied and pair of factors. One example you can take 1 and 18. 1 into 18. And also 2 into 9. 3 into 6. And 6 into 3. 9 into 2. And also 18 into 1. Write the factors here. Write the pair of factors here. After that, write all the pair of factors here. Then you take the next one, second one. Here, match the pair of factors of 40. Match the pair of factors of 40. Here 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, 40 are given. Here you must write its pair together with 1. What must be there? 140 is. So you take together with 1, you take 40. One example. Next 220 is the 40. So together with 2, you take 20. Then together with 4, you take 10. Similarly, together with 5, you take 8. Like this way, here select the suitable numbers from B. Select the suitable numbers from B. Here they have taken the numbers from A. These are the numbers from A. And next make a pair by taking the numbers from the column B. That is the activity what you have to complete here.